Sri Viti Southview. Respected Additional Chief Secretary and Agricultural Production Commissioner, Sir G.K. Kumar. Respected Secretary Government Meghalaya AIDS and Veterinary Department, Dr. Sri Manjunath. Respected Joint Secretary Government of Meghalaya AIDS and Veterinary Department, Srimati C.D. Langwa. Respected DGM Nabad, Sri S.G. Ohila. The Vice President and Secretary, Khasi Jatia Butcher Welfare Association. All members of the Khasi Jatia Butchers Welfare